Hey guys, Amber here from Soul Tranquility Massage and Wellness. I'm bringing you a quick tutorial on how to sprout your own broccoli seeds. I'm going to list everything that you need below. We're going to do this quickly and simply, and let's get to it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take 2 tablespoons of my sprouts, place them in the jar. I decided to leave the screw-on lid so that when I add water and shake it out, I don't lose a bunch of my seeds. I'm gonna fill up my jar with a little bit of water, swirl it around, and dump it out to make sure there's no debris on my sprouts. I do this a couple times. I'm now going to allow it to fill up about 8 ounces approximately. I am now placing my jar into a cabinet where it is dark and warm, and the sprouting process will begin. After allowing the seeds to soak for about 8 hours, I am going to drain the jar, refill it, rinse and repeat a couple times. Over the next few days, I'm going to repeat the process of rinsing at least twice a day. As you can see on these lids, there's teeny tiny feet, and this allows for all the water to continuously drain, and it has airflow. Look at my sweet darlings sprouting. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. After pouring my sprouts into a salad spinner, I go ahead and rinse and clean them a bit before I allow the holes to fall through the holes in the salad spinner. It's the quickest, easiest way to get rid of those tiny buggers. Give these babies a quick spin dry. This part is completely optional, but if you would like to optimize your sulforaphane by 3 times, you can boil some water to 104 degrees. Pour the water on top of your sprouts and cover them for 10 minutes. For the sprouts that I am not utilizing at the moment, they will be stored in a nylon breathable bag, and they will safely be held for up to 7 days in the refrigerator. To me, sprouts have an acquired taste, so I best prefer them in a smoothie, or maybe in some soup, and of course on top of salads. They are phenomenal. Okay, easy peasy, right? Simple enough. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.